Welcome. If you've been getting way too many random friend requests on Discord and want to put a stop to it, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through the quick and simple steps to disable friend requests from everyone on the Discord desktop app using the latest update. By the end, your account will only be open to the people you actually want to hear from. First, open your Discord app on your PC. Once it's loaded, take a look at the bottom left corner. You'll see your profile picture, and just beside it a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open your user settings menu. Inside the settings, you'll notice a lot of different options on the left-hand side. What you need to look for is the section called Content and Social. Click on that to move forward. Now scroll down until you see Friend Requests. This is the area where you can control exactly who's allowed to send you invitations. By default, Discord gives you a few different options, like everyone, friends of friends, and server members. But if you're tired of your inbox filling up with requests from people you don't know, the best move is to disable the everyone option. Simply toggle off the setting next to everyone. That's it. Once you do this, random users across Discord will no longer be able to send you friend requests. Instead, you'll only have the option to connect with people through other categories, like friends of friends, or members of mutual servers, depending on your personal choices. Taking this step is a great way to keep your Discord experience clean and focused. You won't have to scroll through requests from strangers or deal with spam accounts. Instead, you'll have full control over who can reach you, making your experience more personal and secure. And that's all it takes. Just a few clicks, and you can prevent everyone from sending you a friend request on Discord's PC app. Now you can concentrate on chatting, gaming, or building your community without distractions.